With the new ultra-lightweight compact design, IPX4 water resistance, and 12mm dynamic drivers, the new Aeroclips from Soundcore provide some great sound while still allowing you to hear the world around you. So let's check out what these things can do. So full disclosure, before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Soundcore, and they've sent me the Aeroclip earbuds to showcase to you guys. So here we've got Soundcore's new Aeroclip open-ear earbuds, and unlike others that go all the way around your ears, these simply go around the side of your ear, and it offers plenty of benefits, especially for people who wear glasses. And I find that with the speaker being closer to my ear, it also really helps with bass reproductions. So as you can see, they're tiny, they're also very lightweight, coming in at just 6 grams, and the design features this flexible open ring joining with 0.5mm memory titanium wire and soft TPU. They feature a 37% smaller acoustic chamber compared to the Soundcore C30i, and it alleviates ear pressure and discomfort. The skin-friendly mesh makes for a nice gentle touch, and the rear section features an ergonomic 5-degree curve design for a snug fit. Now they fit comfortably in the ear, and I can shake my head around without them falling off. And if you've got smaller or thinner ears, then they also come with medium and large ear grips in the box, so you can close that gap even further. Now I've been using these a lot for running as it offers a clear sound of the outside world, and with the IPX4 water resistance I can use them whatever the weather. Now in terms of sound, it'll come as no surprise that they sound great, as Anchor Soundcore continue to deliver great sounding products. And as I said at the start of the video, this is a sponsored video, but these are in fact my favourite open earbuds that I've used so far. Now we've got 12mm dynamic drivers, and we get clean mids with nice and crisp highs, but we also get really nice bass. Now I prefer a nice balanced sound, which these deliver, but I do like some bass as the music just seems a little bit empty to me without it, and these deliver the best bass that I've ever experienced on open-ear earbuds. There's a nice little thump on the fast-paced music, as well as some nice clean low frequencies on the slower bass, even at louder volumes, and it really offers a great listening experience without the usual compromise of the open-ear design. Now for those of you that haven't used Soundcore headphones before, we've also got a Soundcore application where we can pick from presets or create your own custom ones, and I've really been liking the bass booster preset with these earbuds. For those of you that want to create your own, then there's a simple 8-band equalizer that you can use to really fine-tune everything and have it exactly to your liking. Now in terms of connectivity, they use Bluetooth 5.4, and they've been flawless in my use without any single disconnect, whether I'm using my smartphone to listen to music or using my laptop, or even when using the multi-point connection to seamlessly switch between my devices. Now for your music control, we've got the tap functions on each earbud, and it's recommended that you tap in the bit near your ear, but you can actually tap anywhere on the earbud and it works great. But if I tap my ear and not the earbud, it doesn't work, so this is good as it means no accidental taps. Now you can double tap to play, pause, tap 3 times for next or previous track, and then of course you can customize these to do different things in the app. So I've actually got volume up and down as well as voice assistant for making phone calls. Now if someone calls you, you can double tap to answer or hang up, or you can triple tap to reject the call. And with 4 beamforming microphones, wind blocking meshes, and an AI algorithm, it makes it sound much clearer in calls, and I had no complaints from anyone on the other line. Now when it comes to the battery and playtime, we've got around 8 hours per charge at average volumes, and then the case provides a further 24 hours, so this gives you a total playtime of 32 hours. And if you're ever in a position where you completely run out of battery, just a 10-minute charge of the earbuds will give you 3 hours of playback time. Now as I touched on earlier, we also have the Soundcore application, and you don't need this to use the headphones, but you can use them to get more features, and you just simply pair them with Bluetooth and you're good to go. But in here you can see we've got on the main screen, it shows us the battery level of each earbud as well as the battery level of the case. As we touched on earlier, we've got all the preset EQs to choose from, as well as making your own custom one. And something else I like that is say I like the bass booster preset, but I want to tweak it a bit. If I select bass booster and then press custom, it brings up that EQ for me, so I can just quickly make the changes. Now the control section, as I covered earlier, lets you customize the tap controls. Dual connections is going to help you quickly switch between different devices. And then Find My Earbuds is going to help you find them if you've lost them around your home and can't find them. As long as you're in Bluetooth range, you can just press the play button and it's going to make the earbud start beeping loudly so you can easily go and find it. Now overall, I really like this new design, and it not only adds more comfort, but it also improves the listening experience. And Anker have tested the durability of this memory titanium, and it was able to withstand 20,000 bends in their lab and still remain the same shape, so there's no worry about durability. Now, we also don't really have any worry about dropping them, as it's nice and solid build, and they're so lightweight it's really not going to cause much damage if they fall on the floor anyway. They're available in black or white color options, and they've just launched today, so you can go ahead and grab yours now from Amazon or soundcore.com, and of course I've placed the links down in the description below. Now hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed, or you've got any questions at all, then just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.